Take a look at what we found at Hoffman Estates a short while ago. You see those little things? What do you think that is, Erica?
Clearly I want to look away.
Let's not even say its name.
No, but let's go to Mary Kay. She's responsible for this at her home with a real-time forecast. We were in denial, Mary Kay, but you warned us that was coming.
Oh. Those winds, they go right through you like it's winter, right? Well, the wind advisory stays in effect for all of us until 7 o'clock tonight. Sun goes down at 7:27, and at that time, I'm expecting the winds to start to relax. And as we move through the night, we're going to see any snow shower activity finally come to an end. We've had impressive winds, though, today. Local storm reports looking like this. Our highest wind gust so far, Gary, 58-mile-per-hour winds, Midway, 51, 49-mile-per-hour gusts at DuPage Airport, Aurora, Chicago Executive, 47-mile-per-hour wind gusts. We still have strong winds, and notice the wind direction pulling straight out of the north and west, now gusting to 33 miles per hour in Aurora. That's pulling in the core of that cold air, making it feel like the mid-30s in Kane County. It feels like 33 in DeKalb, 34 right now in LaPorte. But when we check the radar, I'm looking at it here on my iPad at home. You can see it here on the display. It looks like all rain, but some of this is falling as flurries or even some snow pellets. The core of the coldest air is to the north, and we're just pulling in that northwesterly wind component, and that's dragging in that cold air aloft. And these surface temperatures are actually above freezing, so that's what's generating those snow pellets for us. So 44 degrees is our temperature, but you can see how all of this cold air is continuing to filter in for us tonight. So any snow showers, rain showers, they taper off with sunset. 31 degrees for our low tonight. And then tomorrow, we welcome sunshine back into the forecast. I do think we should touch 50 degrees in most places, although it still will be a breezy afternoon. And then as we take a peek at the weekend, I'm watching another disturbance that's going to move in here and give us some shower chances. First chance of that coming Saturday afternoon when we reach 53. Sunday, Easter Sunday, 55, but a good chance of rain. Normal high is 56, so we are bringing temperatures back to normal levels for the Easter weekend, but it is going to be a slow transition because tonight will be chilly and tomorrow during the day will be chilly as well as we hover close to 50. And look at next week, we're stuck in the 40s. This pattern, I don't know, colder than normal for a while, Brad and Erica.
Yeah, the bunny's fine with 55. That's all that matters right now. Thanks, Mary Kay.